Na mo si ya sa ma mugu menu masala.
No David.
Mo bo ma baso.
David, some players are obo mu din no. Me am to say yes. What follow football na che. No dey why ade.
Are you say?
Na Salamensa ono ni position no na dey.
Ono. No me position dey na mo bo. So munya no mbobo. Akwai you say no na cross ball pa Joda Brazil. When say obo corner kra manager. And the only bomb. Boy, the other Hacho says, I place wage in a munepa. Umutukanka work up, you can give it magic.
Samum
Nanka. Share born any part of Boacho, Opok be so poke free, Opokuntinum say Umua, about bois, football number. Say Omu dini. Shakasa si work for any studio ha, or fruit play cracker breach, I will be antima. Entin companion phone word in san we gina mo na yete se ya boni din se wani Joda Bra na okra wo obetwem wan za fe wo adwena baso hey the board there
just say we good
say enti emre bi say your boss yewra sometime wo ka chem se sem sinim bo mu no na me ni adaje ya mde be coach
ye de kotoko team ni ma wa wonti bi ye
obi entimi nhye ya da sam kronkra no bo ko penalty ko nche no
yamna
na wa me
ubetimi aye koto
na metim pa bo nya na coach no so me ade be ha me so obi betu mirika na ma me dia me tu mirika sa akobo na ha me
o
na se ante sa na obi betu mirika ma me dia ne body se nye me matwem wa na me tu mirika sa abo nipa ba ku tu mirika na wa sa akobo asa atwe wa enti nipa no betu mirika na ma me dia na me so ma abo Bile bi yakobo bo se me training offense dwamra kentan be po no me to me ka for 2 weeks ye pass am about 3 minutes why me huna sie bia na me hwe ho se ma ben sie ye papa obi aka na metim bobo mi nkodidi ye pass ye me about 3 minutes me ye skills in there wo me
bia wa 2 weeks
me ye training 2 weeks me bo ye pass am about 3 minutes me twe no mabo mu nsem afenwe se mani so ye misika afenwe na form ho me
ka se uti se ye yi na film kura no pressure wa di be pie no
me te sa da ba si dwamna wa bre film mati film na ka ho de be film so amina se me ko di center ho me ko di center ho fe boy ba ko ba sa wa se bra mu film na ye de ba ko abeka mu am aburu so na de ba matake ho me take wa ne aburu so me de fatwam na nya kwa ho me na ma me yawu me boy no boy yo na nya ensem hu na nipa ba ko tumnika o control o yonko ba ho atwe no sa na wasa akoba hwe ne man nan ne gutirim na obidie ka afragire ba na be hwe ase ye kwa bisa onu mo oba ne mfe twefom abirafre mehinu nsuo si na odwe ogina ka so na mse wurade we na mkrofo di akiri me nipa ye mero me say me cha anwa ka dada anwa ka bi na wo yi na o bar verses na atim wo mu say ehwie ngo brother verse was me macrofash me fia go hela sa ade no entime nko enipa bro
kedwamna
ma menchia me nua bi ye ne ho ade akina na me nua ansa na no Nathan Hiatete wona afam anya me nua Doris Amponsa ya wo mu ebe ye ne ho ade akina ewo atonsu Kuwait ho be ye dwe papa 11 o'clock pepe na hyehyɛ so na no pa ne de ebe ye no 8 o'clock nti obia meja Nathan Hiatete wona Doris Amponsa ebe ma board ye minimu na so me ya mama why
ai jama
wenza o ka wo sere
mama ne shabati edi nkomo pa one dey say
they make can ma fere anase metima kofi
o fere mo say asem dey waka wi
na me kofi ase be boam dey asem
be bo obi anu obetumi aka bibia akire
e man so some
ato manfo asum pa obi o ha na player bi ko kai no but ene waka
me mama na kai no that's just me kofi
na no be kan asem bi o ha wo kire kwan a be fa so obi be fa so be kotoko match
hey
asem no be bia be fa bia ne na mo
ze me ka kire wo se kotoko se
o se kwan a enei said the asante kotoko team na he no kwan a be fa so be de o fa social media be bia
ene na mo be bia
o fa ni sika di twa
ke gavana de hwe wa hebo ache fa
o fa ni take it ya na akotwa wuram o kwa wo be nya pata se drop o manches ene o dot ya pass ya no de catch one stick ni wa hwie kwata e ko bo polu mpe ni wa hwie kwata ade e be anzo abakwa ko bo polu na twam wo kipa na kipa no ya ma go kipa ya bo no appoint ya bo na bo no ma so na ko ni abocho na bo no ya bo na be he no ache no was the microphone once man chena nka so no mo bo dam enya obachi no ndini ya do bai
okay keep jamna me dan say me did say wa first half ya sabe di nkomo first half we di nkomo yenya nwie kola yenya nwie okay abusuya ya tia mu nyina esan so ama mu nyina akwa ba bi like comment position ni ana yesi nkonya ya de Ghana Premier League match week 33 ana ene yesi nkonya ya de honsem so eba ye wulamu our National Gas Sports Stadium ho ana Sante Kotoko ewulamu mani we Tamale United ede yantam so out to you na game no obi tishu be ka say oh he said out to you for the relegation a mere formality the man Sante Kotoko a big game ana eba so nti ya no machine so pa me no ka say nche bia na dwumedi no shase ye be wulamu our National Gas Sports Stadium na fe Robert etumi so abomoden ya tuja no etumi so de amayen ya Bosch be electric asadawama ene yesi nkwanya ye de honsem so bentie ne so wotemi ka ya na de wani wulamu so prison so an about den ya wotemi ka wo mu ya wodi wani wulamu won san so betumi so aka Bosch ba electricals nefi woni yen etumi so edi dwuma di kan je ahoma no first half eba na wi ya meba be come home simple na etumi so de akira 0541 125 339 0541 125 339 announce say 0322 030 838 0322 030-838 na if one Bosch ba electric asini nkomo da Frank wo Richmond wo Collins wo Samson Asame mu nyina so wo a mo bo adwuma ba pa Matilda so wo ba pa Matilda me hu wa che bibia bokọ de mu nyina wo mo di dwuma na afie ne man so atumi so akoyi okay mensa enya kan Robert ewa homa ne so nti yemu da mo ewo National Gas Sports Stadium na for Robert ento so emfa infili ho Robert so what me kan na what aso na for the comment no e dey ama me ne beti for hello Robert
Yamo bi jara kwa bantam na National Gas Sports Complex na Lulu Ghana Premier League with 33 na ACB na National Competence and to keep in China, I said, yeah, Arabic Ramanaso. And sometimes I wanted about some of them are from even in the same university. It is out to your goalkeeper, Lukman Sharif, other polling, Abdul Fattah, Sayabu Ejman Kasha Ahmed Isa, Mohammed Idris, Junior Hakim Bell, Sansuna, Mohammed Abu, Mustafa Husseini, Mohammed. So yeah, the age Abdul Karim Bukhari, Awood Mohammed, and also Lisa Alahasa, and I started every Ama out to when it's your club, your Kumasi, and Kotaka. As usual, goalkeeper Dalad Ibrahim, captain for the side on the police. That's making people brave. I respect you better. Enoch Morrison, Karo Watara. This is Mohammed Nuruddin. Baba Jaya is due to 18 money. Nikora for savings. Sika Amidu Alpha Anafe. Ivan Kote. Remu and I said, Dama Kumasi, Assam Kotoko. I will not share a glass from compressing Nasan because Suki about the drop of Pramani Nasan because what's the name here? They get it to what for them and that person Jacobi Hati or the Jet to Tansina, like Moano, in the big Eric on the Tansina, Bantia, the son of Mohammed Tijani, on where line Tina Place, 4 for 6 and a premier tunnel, a pocket Debra, on where Gemina, and you're not twice, and I'm not 2 feet now, and I said that force compress on a little boy, and I sent the Tokra. He simply now has sent out the Samanso at any moment from now. Representing Jacob Hasim with the Traponade and Jim Noise so now saying that force compress. I will not able to do. I owe you the power of Kumasi and Pestamina. Ghana Premier League, we set it today. I will not say that force complex. I'm seeing a copy of Kumasi at Santa Costa. And I know you're going to step forward and Santa Costa. We can see now the government, or more bonfire now, the rest of the American Manchester. Ghana Premier League. A different set of player and a small between ever has seen. And a young ever has seen. Gotupa, Lukman Sharif, Lukman Sharif, Ebamu, Sanso, and at the Fatal side, Rabo Ambano, Ibenya Ahmed Itza, Sanso Mohammed Idris, Junior Hussein Bilal, Muhammad Abu, Mustafa Hussein, Muhammad Sulebi, Abdul Karim Bukari, Awudu Muhammad and Musa Al Hassan, Ofaban Sinana, Say Adams Happy, Baba Kushebi, Fesa Gada, Samson, and Obama George Renchi, Akuye Manalo, Amunso Abratia, Obensian and Edu, Samson, and Obama Abratia, Abdul Aziz, Asuma Jete, and Michelle Sapon. And something going to confess. Yabala Ibrahim Blessed Day, Eric Jaja, Emma Kumar Sankali Watara, Yusuf Muhammad Nuruddin, Baba Yaya, Andrew Sintimani, Nicholas Osebusi, Akapitamani, and Emmanuel Cotin, almost Natia, almost everything, Atana, I started dancing, Sharif Muhammad Donasuma, Martin Children, Shadak Abu, Ishahas to say, nice watching. Praise at the John Tedeku, and I will command a book. Last official, Dr. Yakubu Harkin, Benjamin Eric and David, Obedra Assistant, Assistant, Mohammed Tijani, Soviet, Aya Opekwa in Zebra, and a Mass Commissioner, Audi Jan Yakubu, and I do teaching Sinano, Ego Abdulana, and Madra Santa Secra, a dear album pilot, only one, and I will be the training to but the Regiment of the Professor from Arutini, Diaz Timson, Jamie, Obu Krampa, Uncle Saga, and some of the Fro, Open the same amount for the Britain Krampa said there. I read the if you take them through the Adam Fire, now I said we are canceling. Obviously, I originally been in Fire. Let's say something about sport and all red with red roses and white blues tonight. Red coming in after the name. And also usher all blue outfits. And Parebeja, the crowd of the north, and the Columbia and the attention of the Chelsea. But the command channel every area, and we have to tell the Boamonsa. You want to do on the team, as usual. Putin Criminal Chakanko, our center cycle. Putin Criminal Chakanko, our center cycle. Answer a minute of silence. Edama Black Stars player, Awuliko Junior, Lapapano, and then M24. Ezana Chukwankla. It's a 4 minutes of silence. So, Awuliko Junior. A minute of silence from the course of Edama Awuliko Junior. The year next year, Dr. Yakubu Hashim, the Central Bank. Obetima Sanaben. Obetima Sanaben. I'm here to meet a country in Association. It's a minute of silence. This is so close. No family united. It's really saying that a corner more classic. A corner regular classic. Or much yet to say. The dear dream here. So I'm a home. Maybe I'll do Division 1. I'm a couple of times. That's like I said, minute of silence. We're finding in our man of year. Last time, let me answer a question in Shishasu. But who said, Assistant Line 2. Assistant Line 2, aircraft check to post. Assistant Line 1, so air check back. Central Rescue. Benjamin Finton. Advance I am from Kalu Matara. I want every born actually. That's what I could not say something of the before. And let you send me on the possible. A cry idea, assistant, Wesley, I said my best for Christian in our society. Tell what I have Pamona Comania. Bona Cockmo Sales, Bona Banking, a Bona Tessa, this is the Bona question. Bona Cockmania, a Pamona Diabre. Enoch Morrison, the Kutabon, the Commodus Mohammed Novedin, or Peter so former player of Royal Samurai United, not just a player, but former captain of Peter Pitamidu, Betmakwana, Pitamidu, that they have not enough to say. I'm a referee of the Magistrate of Royal Samurai United. Baba Yaya the Sabono. Baba Yaya the Sabono, Yamakobia Kumasa Santikotoko. Baba Yaya the Sabono. Rajabona, I love Morrison. I will say Emmanuel Cote. Former player, Samurai City, and in Satanai, on the Sigma Bonachi. Emmanuel Cote and Enoch Morrison is not born at you. Yansha, the Kumasias and the Rogo for. Ever to the one I am. The dear Bonigano at the year Papa. The dear Bonigano the year. The execution is required. As never to Makasa. As never to Makasa. Makumi Morrison, about players settle reference to play on. But the players is reference to play on. One of the other team channel. A somebody a Kokuma Internet. I made a job on Yakuma Mustafa. Mustafa the Bona than 50. And the boy Junior Hussein Bilal. Junior Hussein Bilal. A job on the Kokuma Nimia. One of the other three. A Babilaho. A job on the Kuma Mustafa Hussein. A job on the Kokuma Nimia. A somebody on the sentence of Abdel Fattah Ustayidu. Abdel Fattah Sebo Jebo. Eda Kokuma. A branch of him one way Sweden. So the third man Fattah. So the one of them 50. Eda Kuma Bilal. Are you going to go to Sharif Mohammed? Lukman Sharif Moon. Lukman Jebo Komania. Tabona Kachiri. One of the Mustafa. Mustafa Bona Bachiri. Mustafa. The Tabona Simte, Juan Rohanum. Emmanuel Cote. Are you going to Kachakuma? You see Mohammed Noridin. Master Santikotoko. And the Tabonu. And one of Babaya. Babaya Sadiaman Noridin. A Sabona question of Danlad Ibrahim. Danlad Ibrahim. On a short Jabon Justice in Kunkuble. In Kunkuble, the Kutabono. Justice Way. Or the Adano. Or the Amati Tanidu. Tanidu Sabona commanding justice. A Jabon of questioning. Born to some commercial and Goroko. Not a Jabon Makoma. Babaya Yadbon of question. Kotoko Tabono. Andrew Sintiman. A Jabon. Madison Trouble in Nancy. Naka officer, a brand of one and Nicholas Ose Monsunanso. Bonnet my pressure, and you're throwing at a soul. And that's Kumasa Santa Kotoko. A train at that today, Kumasa Santa Kotoko. Monaco, Mohammed is a Marco. Lamar was born as a player. A sample in Nancy, Kotel Bola Costa. I don't know what I'm going a couple of the customer, a branch of Musa Lastan. I want to focus on bonus. No, not actually. About the moment, so that you want the money. A 10 sector. A trouble on the side of Kuma, a grace. One of the grace at 10. A trouble on the next one of our question. I don't see a matter on the side of you born. A side of you born, your mother, Abdul Fattah Saibu. I will tell him that any Kitabono. I will tell him that any Kitabono. I'm going to take a bonnet at Kankakra. After Fatal Saibu Kitabon, Madame Lukman showing the goalkeeper. So if a Tabon Yama, you are captain of the side, Fatal Saibu, or you born for Saturday question of Mania, a better not Tanabaku, but one of question of Mania keeper, a better of Yama of the Karim Bukari. A trouble on the sentence to as to put up in one number. I'm going to Malfa. One about the deal. I don't say from one radio. One attraction is why I'm to get your protocol. I will tell Martin Ball, Junior Hussein Bila, Ilana Kutabono, Bila Jabo, the man in your Fatal Saibu, Abdul Fatal Saibu, or Sambo Missing Central Kakoma, Abdul from Bukari. Bukari the Kutabono, Bukari one of them thinking that's justice not available. Or turn about to one of country, or the Amabala Morrison, that is your Jabonu, one of Kakuya Dancer, I am from Andrew Simon, one of Christian Community, and Simon was Arginadia, Simon, and one of Babaya, Babaya Jabo Nakuma Morrison, Morrison Bona Kakoche, Mr. Hussein, or the Amar Idris, the Mr. Tanzania, I'm going to branch out to them. That's Dr. Yakubu Hassan Mabonabeng. I just followed the chair, commercial staff to Kotoko. Attacking, switching out to the chair, but the 2 1 and 10. One o'clock, the adventure from Sweden, Sweden, German, and so. Musa Lassan Marco, never been on the football of Marco Toko. Never been. One ultra share. I'm a Yajikona Kip, Ediamara, Royal Tamale United. Yajikona Kip, Ediamara, Royal Tamale United. Ghana Premier League match day 33 live commentary in the air from the National Sports Center. The two commentary so for the commentary bonus. One about the Gabby Fatal Saibu. Sabo Jabo Costa Lukman Sharif. Sharif Lukman Lukman Sharif. And one o'clock Idris. It is a Jabo Nakashri. And the Falcomania. Obey my name. Obey my name. One about the one o'clock a black Sweden, Mama Idris. It is the 1 o'clock mania. A Jabo Yakman, captain of the Fatal Saibu. The Fatal Saibu is 1 o'clock Mustafa. Mustafa Sadama Fatal. But that's my then. The Sunday of the Center Section also. I will say my seven days and bonus. A trouble on a small Hanwell. You see my Malay Jabon professor. A born of the Shama Dala, the brand of the Sabon. Dala, the brand of the Captain Bano. A picture of Pitami, the Bonana. That's the day. You born as well. About the born as well, that's so. Born on A2. Born A2, I2. Born A2, I2. That's the heavy throw. I just like 2 edges of my attitude, and so that's the thing. When I'm born down, that's one. And 2 attitude. I don't want to come out. It's too many. It's too many to want to come out. Never did the Mabaya. Mabaya, or Jim Jama Morrison. Morrison, Jim Jama, too many. What the play, what the one, a trouble on it more, but a conventional corner. A black and a bonus. This one is 7 to Anya 2. I will throw to the fire soon. I got you. Arute Sebon Satuano. Nakumani ni Jebon. Yasembet Masabona na Sudabi. Don't say answer me Fabono. Bon Atrashe. Live commentary on your bro. All the way from the National Sports Complex. Naledi Bobo Cheso. Arute Bono Africa. Bono Babeji. Pitamidu. Estraji Bono Pitamidu. Arute Lateno. Jabo Nesi Mohano. Abranchen Betumakana. Musa Laita. Odadano. Bono Bese. Mohamed Idris Alzango. Bono Bese Station. And the Falcon Yabona Papi Arutio. Arutio. Suedi Bono Bese. Arutio Bobo Canada. Bobo Papa. Abranchen Atokana. Bono Bese Arutio. The Sabo of Kokoma. Abranchen from Mohamed Suego Chabon Tente. Last place from Samalena. Bono Papa. Mohamed Idris almost getting the class of Samalena here. Mohamed Ibrahim Ejnaha. Bono Madison. Welcome, Gordon. In Concord, Yabon Morrison. Morrison. And the American Judge. Judge Mababaya. Baba Jemma, Mr. Jemma Babaya, Mr. Sadmanama, Morrison, Joviano, the Matamidu, Amidu Alpha, Bonababi, Justice Zero, Joel Cambonu, Bonasasi Babaya, Babaya Jamania, Babaya Saji, Besnaden, the Trabonia Kalkuna, Jezzel Bono, Kotoko, taking the place of the game. The Tokofoso, the Omobomudia, Bono, Papa, every Jesse, there's a tiny baku, oh, nice little Babaya. So, the Sabo let's all to measure from Polo. Assistant line 2, Mohamed Tijani. Mohamed Santan is to say, Kalo Watara, aya outside. Kalo Watara, aya outside. Kalo Watara, aya outside. The footballing center, actually, look at the ball. Oh, nice play from the other player. A branch of run out to Mohamed. The trouble on the next one is Marco. But the last time on Babaya, a Jim Gamari says, back to Babaya. They are the one in Bonan. Every judge of this man. Let's go on the Matamidu. The time is one of the Manimia. Let's send up a show. Another show for the Brothers opportunity. Misbah Kumasa. Once again, goalkeeper Lukman Sharif did very well at this moment. Lukman Sharif, Abon Humadin, Papa. Abon Humadin. Yes, what can say this too? Bono Kita, Protocol. I will tell Natana Sabajibono. I will tell Natana Bajibono. I'm more educated to the place of the game. But the Sasaji Bono, Kitamidu, and another, what about the Kaluatara? 7 bonus question. A chance of the Sohan when should I be? Abdel Cyber Bay bonus law. To make sense, some people gradually showing what they can do at the National Sports Center. I'm against Canada. I'm Anzuluso. But today it's a different ball game altogether. It's a different ball game altogether. Bono, Kumassan with the Corbono. And a different ball game altogether in every. Oh, National Formation. I'm not telling ball. Bono Kuta Manokote. That's a on your country. And the Cockmania. Obey my day. That is what I tell Bono and so. Bono, I can attract you. And a welcome goal kick. A welcome goal kick. Yabo, Yakudetia. Kotoko, Lukman Sharif, Abajibono. The Trabono, Jamani captain. Obey my day. Fatal Saibu Mekitabono. Abdul Fatal Saibu. Obey Jamani. So, Fatal Bono, a chance of Kotoko. Obey my day. He tell me to. What a save! What a save by Lukman Sharif! Goalkeeper Lukman Sharif. Pitami do a call for first goal. Next one, Lukman Sharif was up to the touch at this moment. Were you born man Kokona? Were you born man Kokona? I was connected. Coca-Cola Chidetia. Real Tamale United. I am connected. Emmanuel Kotel Coordination. Emmanuel Kotel Coordination. Yanshania. Emmanuel Kotel. Emmanuel Kotel. The Lord of him bonus. A very Coordination. Emmanuel Kotel. Kotel Besman and Sudabi. The bonus in Kotel. Bono is the charity of Dante. Bonus in Bono, Ama, Morrison, Cojibo, Renso. Bono Coffee, Isamed, Isamed, Tamale United, Isamed, and San Bono Kuma Mustafa training. Mustafa Bono Kuma Isamed, Isamed, and Cabo Renso, what is your Coffee Bono? But the prevention of the bonus law, the trouble in Yama, Babaya, Babaya, Babaya, Dadano, a Jabo Cockman, Intimenu, or San Vincent, a James Babaya, good play for commercial and Babaya, or Bobby Bonaman, oh, a Jabo Mrs. Atmanfa, one about the Jackie Natero, a Jabona Kokuma Samed, and the final of the call is Samed, or James Mustafa Hussein, Mustafa Bona Factory, or the Kokuma, a better friend of Bukari, Bukari Jabona Kokuma go to Lukman Sharif, Sharif of Jabono, or the Makota side, one of the center sector, I will say not a person Bono. One about the Sweden, the Shabon Nancy Grand Marco, Itamidu, Bono, but to connect in the Bono. Jabonakuma, Eric Jaja, Tani Professor, Eric Jaja, a Shabon Kakuma, Intimanu, instead of Jabonu, Abaya Yama Intimanu, Intimanu Betmade, but the Kakuma Justice Bay. Justice Bay the Kutabono, or the Aman Morrison, Morrison Sadia Mominia. Next time I'm going to vote yes, I'm born. Emmanuel Kote, as I said, I'm going to born on money. I will say for now, I will actually hop and pay. The boy is Sanborno, a commercial, good way for marriage, a Shabono, a chance for the commercial. Another outside again, commercial Santa Cotoco. Another outside again, Cotoco. Cotoco 4. And I'm magic 3 points. Game with them in Canada. After the game, you know, after the game, you know, so I will be checked for the call. A branch and plan of Bukari Arabono. A Bobana community, I am plan of Lukman Sharif. Sharif Tabona Command Captain for South Saibu. David Bona Kakuma, Dumia, Mohamed Abu Bona Shabona Baby, Sued War, Sued the Tabono, while Musa Alasan Masana, and so Musa Alasan outside. Musa Alasan outside. I will tell you support us when Chelsea, they are outside at Selmu. They're talking so. Bono Escuta no Regen so Mohamed of Commercial Sandigaloko. Arizona Sadia no Regen the center back of Kotoko. Or the Kakumania. Bona Baby Babaya. Babaya Bona Kumano Regen. Bona Baby Justice Blue, Banani, Justice Blue. A plan on our Kakuma, 18 men, you couldn't be in a Kutabon, you couldn't be a plan on our Kakuma, 18 men in the command of Morrison in the Kutabon, and of Morrison, at Bona Kakmania, Nabaya, or James Kakuma, or Sabon Chambon, for the Commission and Sudabi. Communication and for stable so anybody communication and welcome to Aricho no Pitabon, Roman Sweden. And so, I try to edit here. I try to get here attitude. Emmanuel Cote. But someone has much Pitamidu. There's a bonus in Pitamidu. When I come to the attitude of Brancher, I would want it. Someone can say, the Marissa, the Saint Maniaco, the Simon and Lady and the Sabon, the Bonaparte Mania. One is Nicolas Seventy, the Table Chat Animal, Babaya, Achiba, one of the Alexander, whether make my son or Jabon Babaya, one is Alexander, or Bonami, or you born to announce the over elaboration on the part of Alexander. I will see for the Bonus. But the Manchano, Omania Parker, that's Omania Parker, that's one. The Tenabo, the Tenabo Branch, I won't bomb catch up Papa, and Canada. The Tenabo Boys, born in the Command, Justice Lane Kutabon, Justice Lane Kutabon, Justice Lane, Justice Nkuku, Obetma. Slambona Kumania, Madison Kutabon, Amos Morrison, Obetma, Madison Zebona Kuma, Babaya, the bonus to Praga, Babaya, about you for the bonus. What's our idea? What's an idea? What's an idea? But we must say, what's to go to? I can't say anymore in the Papa from Canada. Another save by goalkeeper. Look, man, Sharif. But I go for chances in but I come on for me, but chances in I go for a shot and can tell me. That's the goalkeeper, Lukman Sharif. It's the difference between Kotoko and R2. Lukman Sharif is the difference. One way to take that is way. That is way to take Sabon, a bit smiling. Just as a Kunkuble. Or the man of Morrison. And of Morrison. A Sabon nation, Hanuan, and another defensive clearance are well summarized. One way is one at the Praga. A problem is more Hanuan. And so, Dalada Baba Chibon. Dalada Baba Chibon. Dalada Baba Chibon. Dalada Baba Chibon. Or Sabon Morrison. And of Morrison, friend is now. Or some of them are passionate. That is a thousand idea. Or Jabona Fatuma. Never again, they'll come in here. The time are changing position. The time we're moving to the left side of the attack. The time they're born. A chance to Baba. Oh, one of the triple throw to your Boston. But of course, no, where would you overborn? I don't take off the time to do Baba. Somebody catch you answer. No, not actually. One of the second. And of Morrison, a gentleman in 2 men. In 2 men. There's one of the 2 men. I bet you never show who is the Dalad Pianento. Goalkeeper, Dalad Ibrahim. I should go on the Fediana Kotoko. Dalad Ibrahim, I should go on the Fediana Kotoko. Aha, AMA Shadiga Sports Center, the venue of attraction in this weekend's match of the Ghana Premier League. But of course, another chance for the and to tell you what happened to Manchester. Once again, get to ball, Lukman Sharif. What's that, Bono? Lukman Sharif. I tell you, Bono. The Shadow Bono, number flow, I say, Kosovo. Of course, it's a big game here. And any other two, on the last game of the season, our home. Other two last game of the season, our home. And I go to her. One is a game that come out. A table to. I'm so much like when I baby says, the boy bono, that's a bonus to my call. It's a made as you born as well. Mr. Father, the Fabono, a Piabono, a Piabon, a commodity goalkeeper. Oh, look, my sheriff. While chicken watara, while chill of a top. I'm unfortunately a friend Onana. Look, my sheriff Onana. Goalkeeper of pension. One could say, I picked up on one of our Emmanuel Cote. Emmanuel Cote. One of our ladies. That is your Babaya. Babaya Smaka, someone as I said. Babaya. Babaya Bobo, Papa, Canada. When I told Emmanuel Cote, Cote, when they come and cook me. Emmanuel Cote. Cote, when they come out. Cote, they come out and answer their B. Cote, 8 minutes. Welcome, go to town. Welcome, go to Charity. The 2 born in Tentam, Nanso. But outside with the Jinaborn, the Cinema Archer. The Sunborn in Tentam. Just as well the Fabon. That's what I born of a check. Because they are someone that come on 100 degrees. 100 degrees, so lunch is like a Archer. Nanso. So, I took from Nanso and Betty Mafana, Nanso Derby. You see, Mamma, we have the same born. And that's Morrison. Once I call you born, a part of India, or job one country. Never do the Kutabo and the mask, Robia Commander. Never day. O Petra born so, on Pentam Kran. O Pabo and a Kakama go to Madame Lad Ibrahim. The Lad Ibrahim, the Kutabon. The Lad Ibrahim. The Lad Ibrahim, I won't nicely. I don't take my corner. We put table to a table to a table. Is it one of more table to a table to make my day? And so on the one of our branches, one player, and so the rest of them say born attraction. I couldn't kick a airborne, Edia, Real Samara United. I couldn't kick a airborne, R2. I can't tell you more than Papa. So far, so good. After you know, we are born human. After you know, we are born human. Those who know, and I ain't me, my connected. So, there's a take a deflection. Another corner. Actually, Kadima, I can't go to Kobe. Adventure, Nicola, the table, so. Nicolas the table to attack coordination. Commander Santiago Command supporter. How do you watch it? If you come out to burn and Napoli or him for Carissa. The 2 corners so. Follow a car of I'm a born in Amichai. A real time goes to Sayabo. Cobia Commander Santiago. Above one time, Mano Sabe Bono, Ediama Intimanu, Mano Jabonjama, Anas Morrison, Marcia Jabonu, Aftermath Sables, Titani Glasvania so. Rama Idris at the Fabono. Rama Idris, Abon Norisa, Amaris Rajufau, Kumasa Sanchez Adoko. Rajufau Redia, Kumasa Sanchez Adoko. Robia Commercial Santiago, and I just found a charm. I wish you have been to Mustafa Hussein in Nabonachi. Mustafa Hussein in Nabonachi, the Marichi. Yanka, you're very in a bit in the boy. Mustafa Hussein in Nabonachi. Malcolm, you know me, sir. Center West Nabonabim. Mustafa Pagabone, Tokobon, Sudabi. A Pambona, Salvatore Mafana, and Sudabi. One about the Jersey Metro. Ramesh Sweden, Ramesh Sweden, the one other tree. But I'm not Junior Hussein Bila. Never trouble with Musa Hassan and so. Remember, because I can born, I'm a born at Russia. And it's throwing a echo. Edekia, Protocol. That's one in Texas. One Asaba. That's one Quacker. Tell what I did to my father. That's what I do. But tell Cyber to the Kitabon. One attraction to the charity. Put out one of my Abaya, Akiba Kumini, Abaya, Kotiago, a good one of Finishem. One of our Junior. A good boy in Minnesota, Yasu, Yamadi Nissan Manco, a trouble on the 1020. I know, I'm going to get one on Itamidu, let's go. Another chance, John Baker, Kumasa Central Gold Call. Listen all the chances here the National Sports Complex. I'm creating chances now. But I'm going to do the final third now. Now, Commissioner BB. I'm going to do the final third now. I will do it. Oh! I'm going to do I will do one. The Lord is here. And Cabrera will have a more lesson. I'm still almost getting the opener here. But I perform almost ready. Now, the blind. Actually, I'm raising the boots in the Manu. The name Sober Park and I'm raising the boots in the Via. The trouble of my justice way. That is where the Kutabon. And one of the Babaya, as a one of the Babaya home. One of the Fatal sidewalk. I've done Fatal sidewalk with Kutabon. A Jim Gamani keeper, Lukman Sharif, Senator J. Bonum, Adbona Kwakoma, Abdanta Efrano, Abdul Karim Bukari, a Sanguan Tension to Bonaka with Galado. Galad Kutabon, a Fradiana, you see one and origin. You see one and origin. A Sanguan, that's what Dabi Dabi. The job of one Colombiano, Lukman Sharif. Roughly, Abona Benisa, the J. Whether no more she hear papa. It's a young cooling break. Yeah, cooling break. Adriana knows she will have papa. It's a son national. I propose to be available. I'm not saying. So far, so good. Say, and I can't say no. I fire. Yeah, cooling break. Say, and I can't say no. And the they look at so good. Those things will be a bubble. I say, no problem. I want if I make 2 teams, I would be a yes, and France for more wins will be after the back. You have a party by now. I can conclude by 2 goals or 3 goals. Because we have chances on my test. The credit to them until you go to one. It's like some good food for our team. You see, after pulling it, the performance of both teams better. Okay, I'm turning Canada. I can't say no Canada. And then so far so good. I should do expectations. I was thinking my expectation is that at the end of the tournament, we will surely make it. Okay, yes. Okay, on the also, I can't say me at the Benavian. It's the maximum. 2 teams, I shall say airbag Pramaso. I'm more airbag Pramaso, I'm a 2 country. So I'm a bon so Kakra Womanase. Aha. I'm a bon so Kakra. It's a man energy Kakra Sadi Benjamin. That's 2 country. So that's 2 country. So I don't change phone number. I feel other. Myself, I'm going to come and tell me so. I'm a bad so. I feel I'm so bad for so. Yes, sir. Yeah, I can't say no other circle. And then you are no call. Go to Lukman Sharif. At the bottom of my referee, Yakubu Hashim. Or tomorrow, Lukman Sharif. There is a possible no. At your bank 15. A passport the money how to from take ball. Bona Kalkodi, Muhammad Suwedi, you born the command for Santa. Muhammad Idris, the tall line striker for you. But one coach Abdul Karim Bukari, a Sanborn 10. That should be. I've got you the moment at Manco. Bona Saban 15. I will tell you that Sanborn Musa last time you born for so Emmanuel Cochada for Bono. What about the time is wrong? Itani do edbona komani mia. You born at home. Bono atrashe try beto. Try beto. Try at the I will see that one person. That's what I can tell you. One of the secretary. I've got to make a bonus in Nassau. Let's say I'm going to be my father. Come on, stand the protocol. Santa Claus can help. Alex is out of the bonani. Alex is out of the bonani. The pit pass Bono. Bono Coco the Junior was saying below. Lala Sambo the Comania, Mustafa Hussein. At the back, Tediama Abdul Karim Bukari, or Bona Kokma goalkeeper Lukman Sharif, Sharif Ajabodiama Abdul Fatah Hussein. Abdul Fatah Saibu, Asadia Kochi, Aqua Comania. On the first Sambo 10, Abdul Karim Bukari Nejinabo, so Abdul Karim Aqua Saibono, Bukari, Obetma, Bukari, Aklabono, and so Wabona Touch, a train I also. Ebekia Archie, because the convention has born in them. One of the and of Morrison home. And of Morrison, and we said to Betty Farms, regularly, I return the board on the and answer their bill. I would the moment and to mine a bonus so. I would the moment to mine a bonus so. The last go to power, put a bonus, the Pumbo of the Bono Edasi Archie, who came below Ibanda Mustafa. Mustafa born Babea, the bonus. Babea, Jebon Pitani in Sudadi. I mean the technical answer. I mean the technical answer. Ama Alicia Sabon. Mohamed Audu. Yazubon Audu. Just to play. And they're not Peter Ibono. And once again. I will say my time about the club on us. When I call in this one, Nicolas Osebusi, the club on us one and so. I will tell you, I saw Adibono, but I'm comfortable in the ball anymore. I will do anyone on I say. I'm the ball in the ball, I will do anyone I say. I will not talk my rejection. Just the original bonus. But one I come in and answer that be. I will tell my channel, I've never on the floor, but Coco didn't see my money. You see, I know again. But the Commandant Ibrahim. That was the trouble on the 10%. As once again, defend the snow, air is born as well. Protocol, air ball, long ball, snow. As some ball, and fat. I will say, match coming, so the going to come on the question. The tempo of the game, I shall say, air confirm. See the next game, air play, the tempo of the game, I shall say, air confirm. The time to do. It's time to do everyone, and once again, the final said, after the video, protocol. The ball, they drew the final said now. That ball, I say. Junior Hussein, why you want to say the command? Mohamed Abu, Odama, Abrantia, IFN, Sweden said, Junior Hussein Bilal, 8 ball. Isa Jebo ya koma America kwa koma wana de grace ogem de Mustafa Hussein arucho fo na paper ball e chabo ni tente to wana obet ma kwa na so dala de brema be chibonu dala de brema be chibonu atubo na de koma isi ma melodi de paper ball isi ma melodi bona transcendent cycle masa sani woloko Wema probably gonna man. You see, Mama, no, we didn't Wema. The Akosmania, a sunball also once again, good interception from Adventure Eye from Mama Sweden. So then, come on, let's say, Hano, a Pembo on the one. One of our deal. What a command table. Tell what time of this month now. Watch me, what am I thinking? In 2 money, in 2 money, in 2 money. I want them about there, a chance! Oh! I said you go to I said you go to Texas. I'm a boy, I can't say more than connection. I can't say no to the also. One outside the Children. I will do Mohammed. Outside the Children. The attacking play of Kumasi and the Kotoko. You will win your air coastal. Another opportunity for Kotoko. Against Kumasi. Once again, goalkeeper Lukman Sharif. Family intervention of Echibonu. Abetino. Aritune Pejabonu Hussein Bila. Pejabonu. Ede Akokuma Mustafa Hussein. A James Mohamed Idris. This is James Akokuma Isa Ahmed. Ojama Mustafa. Mustafa James Hussein Bila. Mustafa Bekmel Mustafa China. Mustafa Ochewa. Abocho Nanso. Bonnet Manko. Mustafa Hussein. Bola Odibekona Minim de no chain. Goalkeeper Abdullah Ball number center second. Hussein Bilal. And ball number shot command in here. San ball center tank. As the one baby. Yes, Abona Belu. At the town lady Aritia Branche. Takla Betene Edin for Kalu Wakara Sumanga. Kalu Wakara Edafem. Kalu Wakara Edafem. Abdullah Takel Melania. And the young child Paula and Democotoko. Paula and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Attacking switches Democotoko. Bono, Abdano, attacking Tassel, I call it you for Pomu. Yansha ya ebetimi asi. Yansha ne ko for the morning there. But the community na asuma so nu. Ana ewo eti abot nu. Ana Morrison gina bonachi. Ana Morrison o chebo nu mo. Onu won so. Gabi great opportunity by Kobe Kumasi and the Loko. That is your request for an baby. Referee and the foul the chair justice blue. Referee and the foul the chair justice blue. Foul ahead of the chair. Kobe Kumasi and the Loko. Okosisere Ariche Abrante from Audu Mohammed. I didn't talk him. Future Junior Hussein Bilal Ejna Bonachi. A plan on the map of Fatal Saibu. Abdul Fatal Saibu. A plan on Akuma Isana Idana, 1 days, 1 days, last day. But the conventional bonus, Gala de Grime, a bond of Kumania, and of Morrison. Morrison is a Tabono, and of Morrison, a Sunday since Lanso. I think National Babia Bismassa, and nice was on Babia. A sergeant and Babia, Babia the Bonnie Benani, Babia Jabon Kumania, a bunch of this one and desert, a one of my time in the Nancy Baby. It's only like Sabono. Emmanuel Cotu, put out the bonds of social question. Every other justice way, justice way, justice way, justice way, a bit more than justice way, COVID bonum, justice way, and someone of my Emmanuel Cotu, which I want the customer justice way. That's the great one of Morrison, and of Morrison, and of Morrison. Oh, what a love for by and of Morrison. Nice for the Shaka Clubby. And I'm pulling a welcome coaches. Edema, Arisu, the Subonitum. One may reduce the bones of Captain. One may reduce that's what Marco. You see, my new idea for the bond German goalkeeper. Bana benim arası var ama için zaman var için. İşte bu önümden sokarı ve tara Antmanko. Yesika Lukman Şerif Abefa 45 minutes in Naso. I'm a talk with Gabriel Fokuahen and Simami and San Asusu. Simami and San and I talk with Gabriel Fokuahen Yasusu. A friend of mine is about baby. Never saw, never seen the Friday. If I knew a man is San Asusu, went to know. One of the speakers, Eric Zezé, Akibaku, there's a bit more corner, but she means Eric Zezé, and then Eric Zezé, and I said, everybody. Kotoko Boy, Kete. I'm not going to go to Kete no Mobo. Hey, Samba Boys. I could probably come on with you. Kete for Eric Zezé. One is carrying me, I don't know to say that. You do good as someone not carrying me, man. Or 280 hours in the car. I can't come the board, what's the matter? One way to start. I will tell you. I would not like Manco. The man of Kutabe Bonama, in your boy, what is it? What's I born? That's why we once again. One of the days, but what's your mental? Where are the Belmos and the several Cambodia to Kumasi Asante Kotoko? But the passport is a Simon Levy. Again, the man in here, and Simon. Simon again, the man who is Indian. What is in Benani? A Cambodia Yamazze. You born in your future. I will say one thing to tap on. I don't think I could tell the person. I want to give an opportunity. It's all cool. It's all cool. I'm a little and you know the born so. I'm a keeper. A Sabona Witcher. Lavera, Chimaco, a Jim Yamazze. Oh! Finding is very difficult to break down to defense. Listen, I know. I'm the body of the about standing one more. Can you finish another battle? Now I call another issue. Mustafa Hussein the one at the Praga. When you born Nancy to my dear Mustafa the one at Toyano. Here at the end. Bono Atrashe. Two I have to the chair. I will tell you, Lala Ibrahim the Kitabon. The lad Ibrahim, the son going to take Tanzania. A branch in Westmanco and Chikalwatara Atmanco, a train. The back to the chair, I will tell you. A train I have to the chair, I will tell you. It is an attacking tool. A 210. A branch in Westmanco. Listen, that's someone. I can't run 10 from. I say, one to any other from. I'm a referee, I don't have a magic foul. But I call everything I take in last minute advantage. And the chauffeurs will play the car now. Yes, sir. You know, to go to my. So, obey me, I take advantage. And I say, and first go. Yes, sir, no, what's my head? So, come on, Kumako. There is a one to 18 hours in the news. Now, a couple of more also. Another diving header from the head of the Bishop Ranu. Abdul Karim Bukari, connecting the Makotoko. Connecting the Makotoko, the 2 1 in I will say the best my bank. Yes, what you want to come in here? Morrison, that guy, Morrison. I'm a bank and I'm going to talk to me. I am trying to get here. Yesterday, I will tell you, at 1 in 10. As a connection, trouble on us in that is way. A flexible, you can't even make my car and I should go to Lukman Sharif about the Tibon first. And I'm out to you. One of the Fatal Sadio. The trouble on the man keeper. My who's a red flag and watch. Red flag any time. I don't see anybody coming. I don't tell you. The trouble on the man who could touch the one to protect. Emmanuel Kuti. Everyone the man in there just is good. That's good another time. Which one can I put it? And to baby. Then the one I call for check. What about the deal? I don't see a answer. We saw last time. The game cannot be last. And so, Godfrey! Wabona bemu do Freddy Kani na Benavier. Wabona bemu do Freddy Kani na Benavier. Awana Shariga Agu Framaswa. It has been an entertaining game without goals. Commercial Country Kotoko, conquering all the chances here at the Shariga Sports Center. National Kotoko, I say, Obet. Six, what's the problem about Kudia? And so, coach, Ministry. 90, 4 7-0. 7-0 country last time. Well, also, first up, 2-3 now. Kotoko, any chances more than 6 correct goal scoring opportunities that I wasn't committing to go by. Second, now I wait for 1 month, I didn't go from 1 month. The other second, I've actually, you know, 2 times down to commit by 2-3 now. Born the Obiabo by born here or given them, and then I like the first 35 minutes. Okay, I'm not a like you. And I'm a training camp. Also, so first of all, and then I'm very disappointed in protocol because chances are a team back to me, and then we said, "Go on, I have some and come to me very chances in the back." Or meant to mean second half of mobile ban on my bay, as you money. I'll see you shop on and again, I will be so young and I had.
FM 100.7. Oniadofo, Utio Yepa 100.7 FM.
Okay. Yamfa na asini na mfama Robert wabe adwuma pa Robert aboy adwuma etumi so dia my first half ningi na etumi so aba na wie Asante Kotoko ewudemo ewo eye Tamale na Shede Gospel Stadium Asante Kotoko entumi anshi bi first half sounds na RTU omonso entumi so anshi bi first half ni goalless ewo ho te ya no no so pa pe commentia Robert Eddie Maya nature say Asante Kotoko chances pa die almost say be pa I come on goalkeeper na oma body afanchen omunya chance bia amupo na afa baby nti na wase team na omo keka omo ho na omo ho so na first half we aba na we ya yewu mo second half no omo tumi so atoto ne ma na bibia tumi so akoyi edi ama wo mo nti o bompaya Asante Kotoko echitafu ni na Amedemo ejedu tailors for na mo wase hanum ye hoya na Ahmed NF ejedu munyina mama ya Asante Kotoko echitafu amowo ase ho nyina mechia mo wie mechia mu nyina mo bompaya na modern pie woni bi so the time team nechi said the ya nyame yadman next week mo game money bofo bebo na you cool chop game money bofo bebo na you cool chop na je say mudu suku amomfa ho na jiguzi say dia na ebetum so dia semaba nti momom pa yemfante team nechi na inkunimdie intumi semla emfa emma monti Asante Kotoko echitafu ni na mechiamu nyina na wie mo nkomo kutudwe enim na efi momom pa na momfante team nechi na efi enema intumi so enkoyi mfama na nyame yadama Sunday me dia league ni beba wie ya no mo last game abobo na ayi cool chop na just ayi easy match kula mo lose kula na momfa ho na chese mo ne relegation bia eni asem ebo ne po nti sanity nti awie ma mo monitor comment ni na nyakufu nchida mo na wanya mo kese ma mo po Seguli muina ye chairman na awie Central Market KGT Dubai kwada so market fo nyina ye chairman nyina GN fo ni mo nyina ye chairman nyina ma mo wasafo nyina fo ye chia maybe bia wo bia wa bi mo mo monitor comment na nyakufu na nchida mo na afi Onyamo kese emfa emame nyuma ahodo a mobiebie mo a mo monitor commentary no mo filling stations ahodo mobiebie mo shops ahodo na efi mo monitor commentary no menyankopon na nhia na efi onyamo kese so ewo ho emfa emame Madam Abnantechi ewo Akwatia Lai Madam Abnantechi and Grace R Cosmetics ne dia ewo Akwatia Lai every day be an machine no eda ho 24/7 no Madam Abnantechi nyankopon nhyira o me no kasi we bi mu e man shop kese no omo ho nyina na so omo ba ho beto ade ni nyina me kasi omo nyina monitor mtone na Grace R Cosmetics ne dia wa Akwatia Lai ne branches ne so doors obi okurufro mtafo ne maybe edoso nti Madam Abnantechi nyankopon nhyira say every day be radio no egosida 100.7 FM and if 102.7 when a Grace R Cosmetics eyawo de awa Akwatia Lai awo branches ahodo nti nyankopon nhyira ene wo mofla na woni omoye adwumani nyina ata and if one kase we will finish a big quiz man nyankopon nhyira ma na efi onyemu nyina kase emfa emmame nti first half aba na wie no eya na ma hye no so etumi so de amemesi nyima kobi nso adawo ma eno ma so yasena ye de commentary no ede eba ya Bosheba Electricals adawama and yesim kunye the live comment na if National Gas Sports Stadium eba ya first half obia into me so emfa ball ento nyonkon so atenemo ya Bosheba Electricals na me kan for na me dia ma when they wotime kan aya no ahye no atumi so dia ma me say Opel electrical appliances so na me nyina ya Bosheba Electricals ha ene was atumi so do ani be piem na efi obeje ene ma nyina bi ewa ha na efi wotumi so de kodi dwumadi bi a upese udi edin so ho oba na wonsa etumi so aka gate light ahodo ceiling light LED light and chance ma me say what 3 6 9 12 18 24 watt ningina Bosheba Electricals LED light na na me kan wase mo ye blue and white nte ya no ahye ne so oba no aba be kania wa bofra na so wo mu nso bitum so de asu ade eni nye kania bia ene o se wodima wo ba anase wo mu edisu ade kania bi ewo ho a to book ni so a na we fit back eba ne sa na ebe ha wani me yem pese dachi bi wo so bitum so nya asema na wani ebetumi so ha wo dachi no Vudamu wo edum Physics Runabout. Eden ya wote minka wo mi ya. Ba na beje de na enema so nkoyi. Ye wo LED firelight ni bi nso ewe na so ye wo 150 watt. Oba na mon sam for tumi so aka CCTV cameras, outdoor, indoor, the 360. Ena ye wo ni cables ni na bi nso ewo ha. Oba na mon sam for tumi so aka screen holders, standing fan or vent, remove standing fan, ceiling fan, air conditioning fan with USB socket, gold switches, 12V adapters, digital video recorders. Ningina, never the torso. Make us a meboba. Had David Miachima, the Asan Fast, and they send the Disusa. Obana on Sanford Misaka, wall lights, gate light, babe, sub lamp, spotlight. Ningina, a Bosheba Electricals. Will the move na ebeche wodie na eneman sun koyi emfama obeba na eda frank ewa ha everyday be ameka eda ho asem etumi so ede kire se eda de mi wi asa me ba mi mu obi o te se eda so eda yini passe eda everyday be ameka wodi nyankopon nhyira wate na onye okese emfa emame na de wodon sabe so so ablabo mu na afi asetene mu nyina no Chidian po kwame ba se ya dom no boss ne asase no onfa no no onfa ma emfa emame no ma bi nso wo ma ene wo yire eso emfa emame na afi obusuafo nyina nti wuramu na woni eda frank me di djuma wo de oba ka che eda se born again wuti 100.7 FM NF 102.7 and born again so what the oba oblabi ho no eda be your fine ma o do pe bia obinya abote do kodu fie kra na obetumi afa eda obechi okwanya be fa so a obetumi so ayi so oba ye be sanfo bechi okwanya a onso be bia ma oba bitu akoton no obechire obe ma okwanya onso be fa so obedi yi e wo electric asiton mo wo de bra ne bitu koton na be jonfo de ba ko ha Same enso ho oba beto same so ho Collins nso ho And now Richmond, my main man, my man, Richmond. Richmond so ho, obeba beto Richmond. Obeba beto oba pastor no so ho, oba pa Matilda, and if in Kaye phone na so ho mudi dwuma electricals. Ija homa no na woni woman if in paying for a dano in komo. 0541125339 0541125339 announce say 0322 030 838 0322 030 838 Nephew when the Bosch Sheba Electricals in Incomo may say a doom prisons run about a day out to me Kawumia Oba one sounds to be to Mr. Kayan Ulamuso a doom keys and things building ma opposite a Republic Bank na ubi to me say here. Ye sound so PZ and theatre for the anima Oba onsa ebetumi so akan nti wulamu na no Bosch Sheba Electricals ni nkomo NCBR ye be wulamu na afia de fe toss me no etumi so de ahihye so messages ba ko mi no bi Facebook a wo se me wulamu na afia metumi so yi ni na edi firi ho na afia ma mo de mo comment so etumi so aba no metumi so ekenkan edi emam so ewo ho minima ene di dwuma na ko pem say ye be wi dwuma di no and since day one ye share Ghana Premier League as a match day one e be match the 33 no menemo ene di dwuma every day be amade mo commenting so about Facebook ulema ye pa live on Facebook Amos Amponsan or say hi and Amos ababitwa hi elko abana kuma so the need about say good afternoon okay abana good afternoon ewe kwabana nkloma se kotoko 3 out to 1 and Le Queensy 1 ono so ababitwa me hi and so konti Le Queensy onso me twa onso hi ewo ho Samson awem so e pa radio messages ni ba ko mi ni bi so Gideon Imbia o say out to 3 Asante Kotoko 1 to no send a message ono so etimi so dia ba ntube tumi so de aba ewo Facebook no so de ba menya benef metumi so akenkan etumi so dia ma nche bia said me kind e be with them na fear the comment to the fair toss me no etumi so e de ahihye so second half no enyansha se na nyame ya adoma ya no ache no se wochena a chana big game na anka isa baso wochena big game na anka sa baso wochena enyumene no nsia kan na de live comment no eba e we same studio 100.7 FM oyepa ifinyame Promise 102.7 nyame na aka two stations in the live comment between city afin clear pumpuni mantem ho etumi so de aba na sa game no monsha no so mfama me sa game no big game na etodwa ewo Accra Sports Stadium no de be lose no etumi akọ relegation na yi obi obe lose ho no relegation no what them say ya Great Olympics and the Continental Club Masters phobia and a bit to Sabo Yamea the Dachana. T. Ayana Martian so pa it me so the big game near the live comment to be about fair. Ebeba Homando Yamea the Mochina 6 p.m. Now you better send Thames 5:45 5:40. Now you would have fear the comment no eba. Intino Yamea the Mochina Montami Chuku. Nyame admochna ye big game intino mo ye has echiteni mame mubutin oyibo national Ebony Robert na fimo amoke kan honi na sister course kame ye mi we ye fidin no ka samaba nti sister course nyame admochna mo ochna for Sunday ochna ye Sunday me se dan ochna Sunday ti wochena ye Sunday ne dia mo bompa ya empire ni nyina e wo se ko baby empire ne be ko ne se mo empire mo pekwa mo nhye mfiripu mu na mo fa nkwa so de baby abekọ bi a wo de fa kwa so de na fa ko ba for de for ma twi de mpo kwa me ba se ya do mo de obo so ni asase no mo de kwa so de ma no akwa akwesere empire de ma wutin has se nyame ya do mo chine mo nim kunima hana make as mo be relegation one dey per calculations ne ho ne dey mulusu dey a relegation ne dey mo betumi akọ mulusu dey a ochina has ebe relegation because points na mo won mulusu a mo marketing na kawela be share na the last game no wasan for akọ akọhye ntino Msinyame ya admo chana se mulu sudia na makwa akopa se mama mo na masha se na efe mo de monsa etumi so agubuti ewo ho na chese mo be hure mo ewo division 1 Olympics ensu lusu a Olympics for agita ni na mulu su amonso mbeko relegation mulu su na mo mfa monsa efa engumuti one de no doubt and passing be ulusu na no asha se na adon se aguti ntino. And I sing for the past 3 years in the house and soon to me soon she will Olympics in Soho. Game ne dear, game ne who pa, Busia, game ne you who papa. Tino, ya bompire na wabompire area tie house and as Olympics echi na enema etumi so akoyi ewo ho edi amarutim no. Migusu amipusu ahoma no se men sabitimi so aka men sabitum so aka Robert ewa ahoma no se na efi waba na watu aso de efe tosumi no etumi so edi amayen aha 100.7 FM oye penny NFA 102.7 enso your promise comment to never demo ho munina afa comment na obi bia o monitor these 2 stations ni na afa comment na o monso 80 ho ntine 10 times no je nhwe se Robert everything so aba ho manos na efi ye ho e de ekoso e wo National Sports Stadium Robert Otimenka Robert Otimenka
Metonka pa.
Okay. Menso metonka enso 100.7 FM and F 102.7. Robert, me did yes a fair toss me no asha say on National Sports Stadium.
Oh, akabe simabe mi sabina asha fina. Teams no every dressing room or more eba.
Oh, okay. Now before say teams no afeni me no every dressing room or more bano. Mamu sansemba ko mienu bi ansana omuwia yetumi so ato ase na efe de commentary no e de ama ye netifo wona wo stadium ho after Asante Kotoko pe commentary na wo de ema ye netifo Asante Kotoko SS chances pa e wo National Sports Stadium uyi en me gidi yese echitafo ni bibi na ho modu ani ato form watititi nsensem ne bia wodi di yesa Asante Kotoko betimi anya nkunimdi e de free National Guard abakumase after the first half ban we ya watiti bibi ho
from bola omo boni de ni aka ne finishing no say omo ban say omo continue e pressing kwa dia no gide say omo betimi de 3 points no abakumase even though Arichu enye bad kura on 2 occasions we wa omo hu say download APF in the line so omo timi try boost in echi aside that no Kotoko has been excellent this afternoon. The aka finishing no communication no between Eric Zeze and Kalu Watara and Peter Amidu no and Atisa Kakakra. Sometimes ball no the friend is Enoch Morrison maybe to me the ball na ben and na as defenders no akrepu omu nyina onye obi obepa just was hard to connect as I started but in all I think say everything is review across kama yes say omo control society gidi o mi se bia Kotoko betuma nya 3 points no
what the tamale hoya na wo before say game na ba be sha say and even though before a week clan send Jumedi no abaso no wo ho so far no out you en ka Ghana Premier League ho nyame ya adoma 2024-2025 season no omo entumi so emobi omo ma Kotoko game na wo ho ide mami musa omo planning so betumi adi nkunimdie e this game because abia omo relegation there omo ka so go mo but also what game ni bi wo di card TV and sound the Eura game man
oh the bisa en shada eni honum kire se ombegu omo na ena bibia so en kire se omo ayo majun se omo begugum because ushe ball so ma ball omo bonne ana Kotoko ball na goalkeeper Sheriff Lukman saves our year one-on-one crampono was me a lot of saves and I say omo mi say omo bobo no see omo mi say omo bobo it no idea to see after the second half
okay Robert also former minimity
na mama wa kwa babio e dia ba na sharga ku pramaso Ọ̀fẹ́ tọ́símìẹ́nu no yẹtumi ẹ̀dí àṣìṣe so ẹwọ agùnfẹ̀mọ́ so ha sèé kùmásí àṣà nígbàdàn kọ̀ọ̀kọ́ ẹ̀nà èkúta bọ́ọ̀lù a ọmọ ètùtù bọ́ọ̀lù nkàkírà ẹwọ họ́nùm. Nicolas Otebo nsọ ní bọ́ọ̀lù kọ́ tap! Oh! What a save! What a save! By goalkeeper Lukman Sharif. Lukman Sharif ayi bọ́ọ̀nù. Kọ́nà kíkẹ́ kọ́ọ̀dé máa Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ọ̀fẹ́ tọ́símìẹ́nu. Bona a corner kick. Goalkeeper Lukman Sharif da fún Yanti. Sharif asoye tiani naso. Corner kick e kode ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ofe to sumienu. Okay, Nicolas Otebo so we bona ti. Nicolas Otebo so de bona ti ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nicolas Otebo tete. That's what happy. Bona Tiako, Bona Babati, RTU. I see the Boneba, Bona Babati, a branch of Musa Hassan, Sokoto, and young Frank Hawaki. Babaya, Akiba Kumunu, Nicolas! I should answer that. Nicolas Otebo. Otoko Ashashe Air Pressing. Otoko Ashashe Air Pressing. Are you throwing? I see the ball. Are you throwing your Tubon? Bona Babedi, you see Mama Nuruddin. Nuruddin, Sebona for the Kobesh Masana. Bona Babedi, Imano Kote. Kote, are you born a chance? That's all, Debbie, Pitami don't mind you. Bona Sabedian of Morrison. And so, Bono, and I'm over the bar. Welcome, Goki. Welcome, Goki. Edema, R2. Welcome, Goki, Edema. R2. Kobia, Asante Kotoko, Iron Sakrayan. Kotoko, Iron Sakrayan. Salu Watara, Achme, African Chenu. Salu Watara, Achme, African Chenu. Ama Bena Somwa Bishim. Bena Somwa Sudabi. Somwa, Achme Antiaso. Ama Arthur Ibonefio. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Once again, starting the game with high intensity. As I know, starting the game with high intensity. Another ball from the stance from Ultimate from Anderson. I'm a referee Bonabeng. So, young King Charles, because ball for Flash Ago Pramaniso. Possible Bonabedin Timon, Timon Benasuma, someone should be someone's Manchaso. Benasuma, Bonabedi, Simon Menino, again Jama Benasuma, the more born Jama, a table, a James Yamania. That's what I mean. Kotoko, Iron Sakrayan, you are canceling. Eric says, I'm a Shabbat. Another chance. Then begin by Santi Kodoko. Then I step on somewhere. Kotoko, a good chances no. Then I somewhere about the Saluatara and I went to our friend. Shabbat Adoso about the Eric Zazafrim. I don't know if you're I made a job with Mustafa Hussein, Mustafa. A possible one, nice play. Oh, opportunity. Oh! Mustafa Hussein, and the Mama Idris, this album, and Tanzania Tiana, Lato, Sabrakado, Jemma Morrison, one Sabon, and of Vitamini, Albon, and family, and David. Abdul Fatah follow all the pressure. Follow all the pressure on our team. And so, chances in almost time. Michal Hassan for our team. Michal Hassan. A bonus actually. But I'm commanding here. A bit my them. A branch of the Bono, a Gibono, a Bono Benin, a Chabon, and Child. That's all. Your Pimbono, a Yama goalkeeper. Let's some sensation. I'm going to make my corner. Coach, chances. They can down. Almost 10 chances, Papa. From first half to second, another opportunity. Nicolas Osebonsu, Edama Shabakado, Ado Dibona Manimia, Madison, another opportunity of the penalty to reference in Derby. Zungubla Pimbono, Pitamidu, Oyibono, Kotoko, Nancy Derby. I will tell you about bonus. I beg you to see my money. Who does Yabono? Ever Kokoma, Ever Morrison, a very bonus, another opportunity to tell me do. And to Debbie. Listen the post by inches. The Lord Ibrahim is not one anymore. Until the customers. Kotokonya Bisada. Omunya Bisada. Chances upon chances. Yes, they are here to find the back of the net. First half, Yabami. I will tell you the ball left center line by Cooper. Omu Pasiano Kotokofaji. Another chance of Kotoko. Sabakado. Waribo Diamania. That's the baby. Osebosu. Ensiminko. Arutu Veta Savage Bono. Bilal Yama Mustafa Sambo Dente. Abdul Karim Bukari. Sambo Dene. Arutu Veta Makwana. That's the baby. Audu Mohamed Antimania Boniso. Audu Mohamed Antimania so. The Lord of Chabono, the Pimbo Nefro, one about the Jarki, the same Bilal. Well, you born another opportunity, Mr. Babuseni, Mr. Babuseni, of Fabon Gaveka, Mr. Babuseni, of Yabona Kochiri, and the Kokuma, Isamed, Sadbona Kochiri, and the Kokuma, one of the Bilal born Perfect, Bilal, the Chabono, the Bona Kokoche, but the Quebec Makana, or the Kotiabono, Babaya Kotiari, and so, Pitamidu, your children for perfect. Ya chipi time ni vefe. Bena babedi, Nika jibon vefe. Bena semwa. So more save. Another brilliant save by Sharif. Goalkeeper Lukman Sharif. And now Benteni Jinidin. Papa Lukman Sharif. Lukman Sharif has been the difference between Kotoko and our team. Another corner kick. Kotoko. Tubono, Morrison. Then It's becoming a very tough match for Kotoko. Boni domu boni na. Nanso. Tena bonu ebe touch na munu. Ano ya samunu. Tena bonu ebe touch na munu. Tia bonu arutu betuma kono na Mustafa Butena tuma na bonu so. Dalad Ibrahim ababe fabonu. Dalad Ibrahim nepe fabonu so. Dalad Ibrahim. Osambon tentente Emmanuel Kote betuma kwana. Emmanuel Kote akabonu. Kote. Otiabonu na so. Kona kika koto kubebo tia RT. Kona kia koto kubebo tia RT. Emmanuel Kote jina bona ki. Emmanuel Kote okabonu simo. Baba ya badanu. Odbona kwachire. Osanso bi simo menuri din. Yasu debi. Abi team ranse na pobo na twashini. Emmanuel Kote akibako. Emmanuel Kote abobo na so bona take deflection na throw. Throw the Makotoko. Atubono itamidu bona kwachire. Chabono slow na so. Echanzo Kotoko. Na so refra bona be maji foul. Edekia Peter Amidu. Goalkeeper Lukman Sharif Legina Shirin. Abdul Fattah Saibu Apambo na coach. Yakumani ni abona babedi. Aritu Abantien. Mohamed Abuho, Ajebo Jama Isa Ahmed Ajebo Jama Mustafa. Aritu ne pepe abona so. Chabono. Mohamed Idris Betmakwana. Mohamed Idris. Chabono so. Hano. Audu Mohamed Betmakwana. Audu Mohamed. Abona kumani ni. Musa Hassan side ball kwachiri. Bante na cross ball no na so. Dala Mohamed Akibono. Akibono center so. But community na sabe fa ball no. So ball na attract try to the kia. Archie and of Morrison. Ajebo ndi akumani mia. Bante na to play with Makwana. Shadrack Ado. Ajebo ndi ama in team Bona Babedi. Enoch Morrison. A chance! Amidu! Fabulous! At long last, after all the suffering, after all the toil efforts by Sandy Godokon, finally, the deadline has been broken here at the Nashariga Sports Center. Abrante Peter Akwa Amidu with a solo effort to give Kumate Sandy Godokon the lead. Kotoko 1. RQ 0. They are talking to Mustafa Ibonu. Aluchin Boniba, and so David. Kota Ibonu Fion. Sabagado. A Chabonesim, another vote. After someone Betmakona, someone, and someone uniform. Referee having his action at the bottom. I am yellow card. The first yellow card of the game. Akwama Abdul Fattah Saibu of RQ. The first card of the game. Akwama Abdul Fattah Saibu. The Masters and the Wadako Ebo Muhammadin. Nyanyanim Nukweni Kotoko Bobone. But one goal not here. From what we have witnessed here, one goal here, and get a true reflection of the game. So check chances are to quite crazy. I wish to pad ya. Born upon 1-0. Certainly, it won't be the true reflection of the game. Our attention goes to by this time to Kaburu 3. But Sharif Lukman of RTU has proven that when given the chance, he can do far better. And the free kick have come out Kotoko. And of Morrison, Ejina Bonachi, Emmanuel Kote, Ejina Bonachi, Yansha, yeah, Ombeya, Abaya, a fast one, Morrison, and so I'm saying. Welcome, Goki. Welcome, Goki. I will see you go to Pai, look my Sheriff pass the ball. Bono, Junior Hussein Bilal Yaman in Yaisa Ahmed Yakochire, Abdul Karim Bukari, or the Akwa command goalkeeper, Abdul Karim, Etia Bonusu, Adia Akwa command, a friend of Mohammed Swedi, who must have sent over the car bench here, Ajan who want to fame. Abrante. Nicolas Osebonsu. Ajan who to fame. Aviana Nordin. Emmanuel Mama. Aviana Nordin. Papa. It's Nick. Ajan who to fame. I'm a Kotoko medical team. No. Abagu Pramanisu. I will tell you, Iron Sakraye. I will tell you, Aaron Sakraye. Michelle Sapon, everybody can say to me. Number 49, Sheffield player, Musa Alasan, 8 now, Asulo Ajete, Baba Shanana. Sanso, Anna, Amelisa April, Ama George Renchi, Baba Shanana. 80, Ariteo, Iron Sakrayemiansa, and Sakrayemiansa and Omaye. Abrante Mustafa Hussein Apie, Ama Michelle Sapon, and Baba Jeno. Sanso, Anna Musa Alasan Apie, Musa Alasan so Atimas like Kansin, Ama Asuna Jete, Abba Shananai, Sanso, Anna Isa Ahmed in Swapie, Ama George Renchi, Anna Abba Shananai. Okay, Ama George Renchi, Anna Abba Shananai. Chanso ana kumasa sanduwa konso Nicolas Osebon Sapie ama Sharif Mohammed Ababe Shananai. Etu akanche niso. Aruti no kutabonu. Bona babe di George Renchi. Renchi dia kwa kumaninia. Bona babe di Renchi wo. Wajem diama Michelle Sapon. Osadi ama Renchi. Osebon dia kwa kumaninia. Mohammed Idris. San Bonum. Bone Bananim. Ojebonum. Atimu. Aruti Bon Bokana. Abrante Mohammed Idris. Osan Bon Saudi Akwachiri. Abdul Fatah no kutabon. Ojem diama so. Kitamidu wantumani na bon so. Ama bono atimi atrache. Throwing Sharif Atubon diama Enoch Morrison. Ojebo ndi akwa koma Sharif Mohammed. Sharif Dibonaba. Diama Enoch Morrison atiplaga. Enoch Morrison. Ojebo ni a chance. Baba Yaranso. Family clearance from Abrante Fremen. Abdul Karim Bukari. throw it to the charity. That's the one in Santamso. Seru Fajibono. Obesima do Jemba Mapitamidu. Seru Fabobo and Bonant Manco. Arituno Kutabon. Everybody Diama. Michel Sapon. Michel Wakibakon. Michel Sapon. Or there was Jebon Fefe Diama Sunajiti. A small Jita Piabon so. One home. And so Emmanuel Kuti. Emmanuel Kutama Bona Trashen. I try to the chair. To the chair. RT. Mona Bedi, you see Mama Noridin. Noridin Kutabon. You see Mama Noridin. A problem on the Aquakuma Pitamidu. Pitamidu Aqua. Pitamidu. A Bona Aquakuma Babaya. A very bon diamond. Bena Sumwa. So. And I'm playing time. Welcome, go kick, Edema. Well, Tamale United. Bon Abedi, captain of the side, Fatau Saibu. Fatau Jebo and Afka, Commanding. Fatau Jebo and Afka, Rich Maiden, Asadiama Fatau Bim, a Plumbo International Jetty, a Jetta Bejibon, a Jetty, a Chabon 10, or Michel Sapon, and so Michel Sapon, 8 and Fabon. Kutaka Atubono, you say Mama Noridin Kutabono, a Jim Dama, and of Morrison, Morrison Bon, attack, Dama somewhere! Dama somewhere, Bob, we just saw the same. Hey, Kotoko, and Kotoko, 5 goals. Chances upon chances. Chabona Simpson Painting. Bono Ababedi. Abrancha Frano. Justice Blay. The Slave Yabono. Eddie Man of Morrison. Another opportunity for Kotoko. A chance also. Yaji upside here. Tomase Asante Godoko. Andrews Intimanu. Yaji upside here. I wish you had to born in 10. Sorry, Mamma, I before born. I'm a referee Abona Bemu. I just found the chair RT Abranton. And that's the name of the Pramaniso. I would do Mohammed and Kotoko Abrantia Sharif Mohammed. Omuna Ibrahim Pramaniso. Omuna Ibrahim Pramaniso. Ama two teams more. Medics no Abagu Pramanso Moboshem Ranchen. Yamia Duma Ochina. Another big game Ebabasu Awana Shariga. Karela United and the league champions Summertex 1996 Nebebo. Make a say yes. Karela Ranchen about the Piemu. Awana Shariga Mobebo Monia Kohuma. Karela Ranchen about the Piemu. Amuso Ebebo Monia Koma Ochina. Another big game Edema Karela Emrantiano. Amaba the Pim ever has saying. A national episode temporary hold up ever has saying. A temporary hold up ever have. I'm not telling you now, it's not from where the matrix. That's why I go Pramaniso. That's why I just found Mahusa referee Kutabono. That's why Yakubu Hasimu Kutabono. That's why Sabono and a drop on or GM Nanyaka. But the Kutabono and to go to Palukman Sharif. Wabeshabono Fafa. Sabona Manina. Bono Ekuta Ranche. Jim Damanina. Bilal Bono Coach Command goalkeeper. Bono Akakodi, Fatau Saibu, a Jim Damasina Jetty, so Bono Timanco. ama abranche a yefrano kote ayi bono Ilanga kote ayi bono yedia ayi bono everyone I throwing aya to the tia RQ atubon in time so another throw another throw RQ to the tia Kotoko referee to foul move the pass one the ama RQ Mlanchano Tiabana Koche the command goalkeeper Lukman Sharif Tiabana Banya Odia Koma Abubakar Bukaren Tiabon Udiama George Renchi the coach Odia Koma Michel Sapon Odia coach Bona Babedi George Renchi the man goalkeeper Lukman Sharif Betmaiden Otiabon Odia Koma Hussein Bilal and so Bona Odia Koche Babaya Yantman Yabon so Babaya a trouble nation on our small just a bit of an answer derby. It's not getting a possible Shabrakado or Jabon Jaconkin. That's all. I wish you Mlanchano a club on a few. Dalad Nekutabon, Dalad Ibrahim, a Tiabon so. Eda kwa kumania nkunku bile ne kutabonu ya subule betmare odbona rafi fiyan babaya jem jama sharif ya jibona fi sharifo aritu betma kona asina ajeti na sudabi sabak adwa babe fabonu adwa be bobo na touchlu ya attacking throw ya to the chair protocol yeah, two one year Chasodoko. I will see two one in 10 soon. I will see the Bonnie Benani. And so once again, another 40 pass. One about the dear of Morrison. Let's see the foul at Michel Sapon. So Edekia Abranchen. Fowler, yeah, boy, Edekia. RTU. Fowler, yeah, boy, Edekia. RTU. Yeah, boy, Edekia, Real Tamale United. Dalad Ibrahim Jinabonachi. Dalad Ibrahim Jinabonachi. Bona Kwakudi goalkeeper for RTO. Lukman Sharif Jinabonachi. Jabona Kwakuma. Muhammad Abu Ajebo in the Kwakuma. Bona Kwakudi. RTO for APT Abono. How much you hold? APT Abono much low. Bona Babedi. George Renchi, the man Michel Sapon, a bit more than question. A better number born in 10. You see my new pinball. A Jabon, one bit of Conarenso, Mohamed Idris, Idris man Kitabon, that's why bed born. You see my new born a few. Bonaka could the other two national, a Bobon 10, a jetty, Bono. Wajibon Yamarti, a jetty born Yasmania, a trouble and answer to Debbie. Mohammed Sued Boyano, and then baby cry. A welcome go kick the man Kotoko. Bonukuta, Dalad Ibrahim. Dalad Chabon. The man who could believe a Jim the man of Morrison. And not Morrison, or the man Babaya, or Jim the man, you see Mama Nuruddin. Or the Akuma Pitamidu. Pitamidu, another chance! And so, another intervention by Fatah Saibu. Denying Kotoko a second goal. You see Mama Nuruddin, Bona country. Odbonama ni goalkeeper Danlad. Ojebo dia kuma Justice Blay. Bona kwa kuma baba ya. Baba, baba ibonu fefe. Asad bona ama Justice Blay. Odiama Sabrak Ado Ojebo baba ya. Chance ko kana baba Isimanu Asidabi through pass 90 man ko. Asabebi Morrison kan fefe. Ojem diama Sharif. Oh! I'm not going to somewhere a book to go for second half of the last somewhere. Well, book to go for in Canada. I don't know one-on-one situation by me and some are telling you now. One-on-one situation. But goalkeeper Lukman Sharif. I've been saying man of the match. I want to say I don't choose the family and so man of the match today. I'm not being pro. Yes, I don't choose back today and so man of the match today. Lukman Sharif. I'm not being pro. Bon kutari to you. Bon akoba. You know say. Tebia bono. Oda ban fifi. Michel Sapon. Ojem diama. Mohamed Audu. Odiama Michel Sapon. Ojem dia kwakuma captain Fatal Saibi. Otiabo no dia kwakuma. Abranche aye flanu. Mohamed Suedu later than Suedu. Odiama Jete. Sapon ibono. Enso dabi. Michel Sapon bono about to actually. Watobo on the ama Justice Blay. Ikunku Blay. Or the ama Morrison pick up on the center. Itami do accessible on fefe. Itami do. Or the ama Mohamed Sharif Ajebo ni. Odi akonfifi. Sabrak Ado ibon dia koma. Oh, Emmanuel Kote akoti ahwe. Throw in yesterday Kotoko. Throw in yesterday Arisu Asibonu. Eda koma goalkeeper Lukman Sharif. Otiabo on dia koma Bilal. Odi abule Lukman Bim. Otiabo on dia manimia. Bono gasukitari tu. Mo pepe bono so. Ejebo ni mu. Abranche ni betima kwana. Audu. Ejebo ni dia koma Mohamed Idris. Idris Ajebo ni mu. Dia koma Suedu Ajebo dia koma Asuna Ajete. Edwana Banfifi. Ajete. Ochiba be afefe. And so another opportunity wasted by Real Samale United. Omasuma Fabona for. Bona kwachire akwako di goalkeeper Lukman Sharif Ajebo ninu Bukari Wano George Renchi Ajebo ninu Kwabona Subona Diama Asandugolo kwa Branche Sharif Odiama Morrison bona na Sabrak Ado aboso na su baby shot kwa Lukman Sharif Achibono. Lukman Sharif Achibono dia kwakuma George Renchi. Na Shariga Sports Complex. Ana action ni na Afriba Dalelgu Abontinso. Match week 33 of Ghana Premier League. Royal Tamale United against Krobia Kumasi Sandugoroko. Kotoko Ashabako. Peter Amidu Akwa and a share goal. A trial to the chair. Kotoko, Subon in Tenkem. Bonabadi. A blank eye from out the moment so much money. A trial to the chair. Archie. Kotoko Ayan Sakai. Baba Yaya A cream. Ama Michael Che Jamna Barashana. Baba Yaya Efrim. Nakeke Jamna Barashana. No did Ajibono. Jebona Komania. Another opportunity for Kotoko. Tomwa. Toma dadano. Toma namianum nukweni toma ba mu ya mo kotoko. Selfish bomb kwana bena toma bo. Toma ba mu ya mo kotoko. No pressure. Chances far someone else na. Bola so pass to no about time. Judge Renchi to Praga. Or the command in here. Japon. A Tiabo coaching. Look at the Bona command goalkeeper. So far, a bobo on the bed, 10 minutes to ball into the center line. Bona coaching, a Bona coaching. Bona coaching for outside wall. Or the man Bona Baby, George Renchi. Trouble on the 10-20. Also, you see, Mama Norris, a train a chair Kotoko. Train a chair Kotoko. George Renchi, or two on your man, Michelle Sapon. Michelle Sapon. Okay, the boy, the commanding captain. Abdel Fattah Saibu, or the man Mohamed Idris. Mohamed Idris. Ojebo ni mu. Bona kwa George Renchi. Aricho gradually building up pressure. You see Mohamed no dey pin ball no. Throwing Aricho out ball into Michelle Sapon. Everyone dey George Renchi. Obetima den. Odiama Bilan. Yes, Dabi. You born for Benasomwa 2v1 Benasomwa oh Benasomwa Beshadi phone you know Jalai Bola some Benasomwa boni yameni Ukrainian time all time papa Oje center secretary to anu o shooting off target. I don't see a great born. At one other, as soon as I get born as I get Vitamido, born as I am Benasoma. Yesterday, Benasoma to Marco. Benasoma, born a coach. The Tambon, the Ama, George Renchi, Ojebo, Michelle Sapon Betmaden. Michelle Sapon. Or the Bona Coaching, or the Bona Kakoma, a branch of Bukari, or James Damakipa, Lukman Sharif, or Tanika Safer, or the Akakoma Bilal Bona Koma Captain, Fattah Saibu, the one which was the Akakoma so, Jamina Jibono, or Jibona Bashi, or the Amai Manuel Kuti, which are Kakachavi, and Sobona Trash. I will tell you, I am Sakai. Hafiz Adams Ebem. Audu Mohamed Afrim. Hafiz Adam Ebabe Audu Mohamed Afrim. Kanso and Junior Hussein Bilal Afrim. Idrisu Gaddafi. Abem. Gaddafi Ebem. Gaddafi and Ababishim. The Trakan Chain is a born true. But a comfort born in them. Emmanuel Kuti, a James Jama and Oak Morrison, a James Jama Shabak Adu. Shabak Adu was taking deflection. And I go to Pabachino. But to one, they are called Gaddafi, born of Kashiri, and they are commanding captain. Sharif Ojebo, and Bukari, George Renchi, Sadia Bukari was born of Chairman Kipa, Lukman Sharif, a born of Kashiri, Fattah Diamani Kipa Beam. Bono, I will see from one coin. On Mobobono. Protocol. Emma attitude for no chance. Emma Muntimin center circle. Protocol difference in center circle. High line as well. Go to Lukman Sharif Pembono. Born up pressure. Ababedi Nuruddin or the Kakuma Dalad Ibrahim, who has been virtually on holiday. If you could be the Akoma Jamina Kutabono, or James Jama and of Morrison, or Joe Bonum, or the Kakuma Sharif J. Bonum, Adama, Intim man with the Akuma. Another says, some more goal! Finally! After scoring several chances, Bernard Sapo Samoa gets his name on the score sheet. Papa. I saw no to me second goal. RTU 0, National Sandigoloko 2. RTU 0, Commercial Sandigoloko 2. Sergio Makaidi. Babia Taidi. RTU possible. Michel Sapon, or the Akokuma Gaddafi Betumakana, Gaddafi, Ibono, Koma, George Renchi, a Chabo Nation, a chance to I just said Nancy Derby, I just said Betumajibonana, I just said Asaj Nancy Derby, but the Comrade Nabejibono, Bona Sabedi Mohamed Sharif. Odama Yusi Mohamed Nuruddin. Yusi Mohamed Nuruddin Yakuma Dalad Ibrahim. The Bona Kuma George Blay. Justice Blay. Ojem Dama Yusi Mohamed Nuruddin. Otiabo Ndiama Sejamna. Odbona Bashir Diama. Yusi Mohamed Nuruddin. Nuruddin Otiabo Ndiakuma. Justice Blay. Bono Adasu Kita, just play. But Piabo, they are going to go to far. The lady going back to my day. But Piabo, the same Mamma no day in the Kutabono. The same Mamma no day. They born their Cosma Morrison. But of course, Asham Amon Pentam. Amobo no more Casafam. Amobo anymore, no more side, they go to Padanlad. The lad is so bobo nibi. Afide the lad is bobi. The lad is Pejabono. Emmanuel Kota Bejibono. Asuna Jeta Bejibono finishem. Asuna Jeti. Pejabono. Mohamed Idris Sankman so. Ama referee Abona Bemaji Fowler RTU. Raji Fowler RTU. That is Blay FM. But of course, I'm a here. Aha, a Shariga. Cross complexion, a little go about so. March week 33. But of course, we are in the last game. Oh, boy, I saw you the Tanabo Papa. Our Baba Yara. I tell you, I won the last home game. Asano Wakobo, Great Olympics, I won't cry. I tell you, yeah, just some sign Ayaka. Lady Tabono, and I command Timanu. Timanu, I don't want to finish them. Bonusita, Asantigolo. How did you make a Jamna? A Bona Kokoma. And of Morrison, Bonacoche, as well as Jetty, Bona Kokoma, a better Mohamed Idris, Kokoma. I will tell you, building up. Possession now. I will say for paper bonus. As well as Jetty. One of the secretary. Also, one of Adam Safi. Or the coach of Comania. I think Adam Secretary. Or you born for fair. Also, but that's the one of George Renchi. Okebo ni tete. Ono Michel Sapon betima kona. Michel Sapon. Na so Dabi. Bono ayo kona. Ayo kona. Michel Sapon eba mu second half nso oja no ho ato fam. Michel Sapon oja no ho ato fam. 90 minutes ni nyina so. Hi. 5 minutes and I'm always a false referee. Gabriel Opokohin, Ebetime, Eddie Achre. 90 minutes no. 90 minutes na Aswanisa. Yasusa 5 minutes no. Echo 7 minutes. Scoreboard no, Mausa 5 minutes no. Asusa Adani 7. Asu Yenyan Fanchiraye. Ayakona, etukona no. Also, Hano, also Dabi. Another wasted opportunity by Abrantia Fiano, Abdul Karim Bukhari. 7 minutes of other time. 7 minutes of other time. I want to Shariga. And I have Kotoko Shemianu. Kotoko Shemianu. Arche intimente. No dey so mama na take na ball. E tia ball no. Bona ba be Mo Sharif. Ojem dem jamna. Sadrak. O take ball ni tente. Fine wo. Abrante na tibanko. O ball no so. Oh! Another chance gone begging once again. Asante Godoko. And the chances are Kotoko stay with Hanu. Yamianum Ukraine. And Kayanga says goes through Hankesha. And Kayanga says goes about the Kamasha. Sakura. Hey, Pablos. Don't know to tell you and show their Fakumania. Bukari, a Plambono. Nice play from Mohamed Abu. Graduating. Michel Sapon, Dada. Michel Sapon, Ojebo. Yadase James Dama Michel Sapon, Ojibona, or the Bokkan Husa, who can be born in Kolani. Ojibona, the Bokkan Husa, or Dadan Husa. Bono, Eda Sukuta, Hafiz Adam Jama, Mohamed Abu, a Plabono. Attitude, George Renchi, Edama Michel Sapon, Ojebono, Rafafi, Ibon Fefe, George Renchi, Edama Hafiz Adam, Afisa Pega Bono, and to Dabi, Ababo not watching it. And born not watching it. And you're throwing out Kotoko back to the charity. Emlenu Echo. Attitude player at FM. That's and of Morrison at FM. Players here and FM. Attitude player at FM. That's now Kotoko and of Morrison Soto. SFM. Temporary road up, I was saying. The stretch number, that's so. Mohamed Abu Eda SFM. And of Morrison, as a regional and also. The guiding for no Asha AP. The guiding for no Asha AP. Oman will send you here. A car of fear. Yeah. Mohamed Abu Antimi Antwa Kanshin so.
Mohamed Abu Antman to our country so. Mohamed Abu, the first time I played a branch and in a few. And I'm going to say, Antman to us so. I'm not going to say, I'm a John Tebe Probation and I. And I'm going to say, I'm a John Tebeku about the shame. That's why I can't say anything. Bono Efita, Dalad Ibrahim. Dalad Ibrahim. Dalad Ibrahim at Yambona Kumania. Bona Baby Justice Leo. A figure born at 10. Baby Ajibon Diama Sharif. Sharif Jakakuma. Intim Manu. The Piabono. Ediama. The same woman will be. A short born of Kakuma. Dalad. A figure born at 10 Marokuti. Put up in Bono. Why an echo? A bunch of access to Bono. I'm a referee. I just found the chair, Emmanuel Kuti. I just found the chair, Emmanuel Kuti. I will tell you about the chair, Kotoko. Emmanuel Kwaneko. Kotoko, Nancy Najibono. Tiabo, Mediama, Tilgamna, Bona, Utimanu, Bona Kwakuma, Sharif. That is what Tiabo is saying. Adama, Sabrak Ado, the Bona Kuma Emmanuel Kuti, Kuta Ibon, the Amania, Kuta Kajidim, Emmanuel Kuti, at Bona Bachiri, Ukunkubli, at Young Bonu, Adama Sharif Ibonu, Adama John Tedeku, at Bonama, Sharif with my day. Tiabo is saying. Tiabonu, Bona Kodi Bana Sumwa, the Bona Finishem. I'm a referee, Abonabe Majifao, Ediama Ashanti Kotoko. Rajafao, the Chia Idrisu Gaddafi. Bena Sumwa, Eda Sudafem. Bena Sumwa, Eda Sudafem. Bena Sumwa, Eda Sudafem. Bena Sumwa, Eda Sudafem. Abrantana Asorajana and Naso. Abrantana Asorajana and Naso. Emmanuel Echo. Emmanuel Echo. Master Santicoroko 2. Archie Peter Amidu and Benasuma. And I'm a go to. I appreciate Sabak Ado in a bonus. Sabak Ado. Obey my then. Sabak Ado. A Piabo and a Kakuma Justice Blue. A Piabo and a Sadiama. Mama Sharif. Sharif the Bona Culture. Adama Tedeku. Adama Bachiri. You see Mama Nuridi. Justice Blue Nikitabonu. But I come for Pentem. I'm a Bobo no man Kasafam. I tell you, I'm not telling you, I'm imagine some more Bani Mukra. I'm not imagine some more Bani Mukra. The Trabono, I can't come and go to Park. Bona Kakuma, Dalad Ibrahim. I don't talk my 18 men. That is me. Dalad Ibrahim, the one that plays in our box. I'm not talking about Dukra. I throw in a yesterday RC. That's a born in Samson. Look at the game, Jama George Renchi. The tempo of the game. Let's make us a friend Papa. Meaning, say 2 teams in Adradia. The tempo of the game, the man in Ukraine, our firm, get into the dying embers of the game. The tempo of the game, I slow it down. I will tell you for Ejibon na no mo ball ma fam. Omo pese omo take Kotoko on the counter. Kotoko fonzo so em pese ombe makwan. Ama counter no yetima bobo na chi omo chi. Ati paper ball ni so. The trouble na come Kotau Saibu. Yebo ni mu. But also bet man ya chance na na si there be. I feel Adam say kita ball. Pija ball ni ten. And so young said the play ball na fi ho. I tell man na to ball in them. I'm to ball in them. I'm bet man then. I'm bet na ball na so when I ko George when she bet man ko na. Renki na so Debbie. Welcome go to Edema Kobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Welcome go to Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Welcome go to Ganyama. Say Bobo Nisima referee Betimapon. Referee Wabona be mudia training na benawe. Awana Shariga Ago Pramaiso. Real Tamale United at Nepie. Omat Nepie Adim Kuku. Awana Shariga Ago Pramaiso. Omat Nepie Adim Kuku. By 2 goals to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And I will in match now has say. Peter Akwa Amedo and then our first goal. And Bernard Sapon somewhere and our second goal. And the Emma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It's at the close of scores at the National Gas Sports Complex. At 2-0. Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 2. And you betum. I'm in place for the woman.
Oyirpa FM. I love it. Oyirpa FM. I love it.
Okay. Miyena Robert abo adwuma pa waye adwuma ni nyina atumi so dia mai watuja age 99 so simai do okunanya asem keto plus additional time awefi no edit to so Robert atumi say 99 so 27 24/7 FA the first half and the second half ni nyina atumi so dia mai ntidwuma de ni nyina atumi so aba na wiye Kumas and Debbie. Jumedi ni aba na wie ya wa National Gas Sports Stadium wa Tamale. Jumedi ni aba na wie na Asante Kotoko ewudemu ho etwa ati for the academy no mama ntumi so antimo bi na before say Jumedi ne ba be sha se no. Me yatete nsensem ni bia ni nyina mo no mo be ne dey dia akwa wie no nti no Jumedi ni aba na wie ye mo Kotoko 2 we Tamale United 0. Peter Amindu Akwa and Nefi Bernard Sumwa. 2 players and about 2 goals na dia Asante Kotoko. It is Sunday. Nyame ya much some matches na beto so match week 33 beto so mama nhwe fi memfa nyame ya much na matches betumi so abaso na emfa emma after Asante Kotoko Edim kunim dize Kotoko is safe from relegation. Kotoko if relegation onu obi ani asem. Is a match we emfa no results and DVCBA Kotoko. Is a can relegation na yetumi fa Asante Kotoko nka ho bio. 46 points. Omo is save. Kotoko nka ho bio. And Timosha no so pa for my messages out do ha meaning na e dey feel. Me san so aba homa no send e fe. Me ya fa course kakra enka se no number ba pay no na fe ya so we made no so. Na enyom aba wa kwem. Enyom ni si na no si akase bo ebe ba beto so etumi so dey ama na fe awale mu nsem ene Saturday ntino ekuafo chefa na beba ene Saturday ekuafo chefa beba ono aba Richmond Fempon beba be gia kunya no fikese mu na fe wato so ede ye fi ho wi a na fe dwumedi ho no etumi nso ato so etumi nso de ama na efi nyame yadom ochena ya san so aba be gina mu 6 pm na efi de live commentary no etumi nso ede aba nti ya no machine so yi pa etumi nso de ama minti sanity mamenhwe ha na efi yenyi niam ba ko mi bi emfa infiri ho na efi yento adwumedi no so na efi yemna homa no so na yemna mefa course enso ewo ho nti ya no machine so before say me kanyama de ese ne na efi me di table no baby asante kotokoda na efi nyame yadom ochina matches ebitumi so abaso no me pen efi metumi so de ama no meba okay ti sanity say sante kotoko ewlemu aba abinya 46 points said me di kan no kotoko is save di say kotoko eni obia eni asem o kan timi so mbeko relegation na wa kasa wa kan wa de na wafa obia na obia ni asem ti o kan wa de na wa kan wa de afa ti asante kotoko na ebie week 33 na no na ka wa say ne Accra Lions any Dreams FC etumi so ebo e wa Accra Sports Stadium jumedi no me ntumi so amasunti no me yebehwe na efe nyame yadom ochina e baso a ye de ho nsem etumi so edi ama nyame yadom ochina matches we na ebitumi so akoso uwudamu nso same venue ya ye bobo ya National Gas Sports Stadium a Kawala United ebetena efe no man Samatex 1996 the league winners etumi so abo Pandu out of Lions ebetena efe Pandu Sports Stadium omoni the Golden Cities na ebebo Bofu ebetena fie na bofu ne Bekum Chelsea etumi so abo Sunyane Coronation Park. Adriana Stars ebetena fie Nanajima Bedu the first pack. Toma omane nso Atemana FC game no ebetumi so abaso. Maybe any Gold Stars ebetena fie Gold Stars Dance Park bibini. Omane Medema Sporting Club ebetumi so abo. Nations FC etna Asante Mantemuha Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. Omane Becheb United ena ebebo na 6 p.m. na nyumri ho ena ibinya big game na ankasa. The Phobians, yes. The Phobians has ebetene fie Accra Sports Stadium. Na omane Great Olympics etumi so abo. Nyame yadom ochina yebetena se emla nunum aba pound sima aduanan ne yatena se 540 pepe ne isim kunya yetim kunya so big game no because game we medical ka ho ansemo me said the be lose the be relegation with the market has elusu obeko oli elusu a obeko what a game okay maminsi matches nyame yadom wetie be ba so ne biu na efe yemla homa no se ne ne tifu medi nkomo misima kakra ke na efe yenkofi na yenkwaji ahome ne yenko prepare for nyame yadom wetina match bi tumi so abaso okay nyame yadom wetina Accra Lions etna Accra Sports Stadium ni Dreams FC ne bebo Kawala United etna from ne Samatex Kawala ne Samatex Adi League Kawala be win the game no Pandu out of Lions etna from ne Legon Cities ne bebo Bowie said the Pandu for ne Pandu Beshe Legon Cities. Bofu etna few money Bekum Chelsea na ebebo. Bofu equal relegation Bekum Chelsea be kwa kwehye Adriana Stars etna few money nso Atemana FC na ebebo. Omomi no DBCBI. Baby na Gold Stars nso etna few money Medema Sporting Club. Gold Stars one of standing game there be Gold Stars ni bi Medema Gold Stars ebeshe Medema Sporting Club. Nations FC etene from ne Becheb United na ebebo DBCB anso ye ewo ho na has any Great Olympics on the mean to make us DBCB aye me passing bia one dey matwa ma memeti for ne has chitafo ni na me passem me passing tini e dey my boy we has any will in ebebo because game we dey go bi kwanya wa obetumi ato twede na yi o nyame yadom ochina se stadium me ka asem we be se me ka asem we etiefo muntie me yi pa asem na me ba be ka ne hia me yi ti wuji hu di pa se nyame yadom ochina ube wura mu wankra pumpuni mantem ho na wo be wura mu wa Craspo Stadium na wakọ akọji seat atena so awet na si game ni bia meselo nya akoma de betimi aka nde se nya akoma na wo se unya ne se yima se obi ti stadium no ye has echiteni na se ebia get Olympics ejibo ba komiye no bi atwena bo na kwahi po se panyanya wo de go betimi atwa he yakoma echina bo na wini akoma wonhwe o by if say me has echiteni bi na mini akoma akwakoda when it ye na no afa phone na said uko no uskoli ko na se unyanto ba se nyame admo chena ye match o ho chena match match o ndi nyame admo chena mesere o wa be ko stadium bi enya abotere ko hey game no ma wa koma amna form nya koma na hwe bot say as Real Madrid fan nya koma hwe bot say Real Madrid fan say me amtie na no ye ne Dortmund e bo me say o e cool chop Ombe don't be obegu because you're the finance there. But the game, my game is very difficult. And he say, for the past 3 years, I has Muliabo base 6 matches. Has him to me show you. Oh, mama boy, I trying sad, you know. Oh, my year has Pampe. And then the man you may add much. A big game, big game. My member Homanos and I'm in a team for new come. We are making born home commands. Once a man sound my story you made in so. Answer my storage made so into what the mammy Quahman 0322494401 0322494771. Good evening.
Bon.
Never why you.
Me do group Pico de Cool.
Anna, and they will buy and how I can say, and I'm with you.
And that feeling you differently, and then that's a little bit. And then we go back to the Kumaja in my body my station. Now the past year we are number 1.
Okay. Is it Anna team with a team from Fanchemi. Obaso a mebusao. Where has a chiteni. Where Kotoko a chiteni and now we will because me person me bisa me tea for us in Biansana. Yeah, so we made in this Anna need oil kotukuni. Tika me who to the oil kotukuni can once and into you.
And then we are going to team Nabaso. So that you call Cameroon Naralugu Sports National RT Tunnel. The most in Nabaso, Costa a safe. Young people called the Bismarck Money and then more Ogun in the boys Nabaso. There can a last match against Buffalo, our commander in the Antangu Momo. Let's not dear bomb, a bloody Yesu. I can't support you. A whole penny Jimaya. A hawk, only Babu, only Mati. Only Rosalinda, only Anna, Anna, no, I
have got to quit into me, person be come bibli. Has only one shibi, passionate.
1 year, a cajua, a 2 nail, it's young wine. I have 2 nail, a cajua,
Mate. Good evening.
Good evening.
Atom Niana. Atom. Taxi driver, papa. Taxi driver, papa. Atom, I have been phone, mammy. I saw Cassa wait you do. Aha.
Monagay, now go point down what my power. Last Sunday, me catch well. Me catch well, say, but of course, 2 hours is the I did that 2 women who are in it. Tell me catch well. Okay, FT, Kotoko, Mama Bomoli, Olympic now got a experience. And you used to say that he lose. Yes, that he lose some Olympics. I'm a half a pound with him. It's any about them got there. I'll see you, but Papa, I bet you. Mona gets some catchers in the show.
I'm okay.
And you say, no, what were you now? You created to honor. She didn't create your own air to house.
Martin.
One the low end against us. Why?
Hey, Mon Cabby Mamma, I
Olympic Baron,
Martin, will you baby? Martin. Good evening.
Then again,
Director, we didn't be a cafe.
I'm going to be a phone with you now.
I'm in fact when I say change in a care the gas in the system. I also police station well like to Mamencha. I give the
say watching be a man in a Friday to us some why.
When I give it to you,
we didn't hear me pa, what will be the answer and it found food to ya.
When I give your promise of one, who beat my friend, your minute tobacco, because that's the band.
Well, yes, so far now.
Anne.
Mate, meet you.
Well, I got them so far now.
Now, what's the first of one? Now, so for one, the only so far, so for one, what are you getting?
I thought we had seen a minute of tobacco pay to the
no so funty and you with the end to us. Wow.
I think Mama in 34. We'll be in Kanye, cried and Nanka Mokotoka can draw. Nanka Yambo, I say Olympic, yeah. Uncle about the 2 Kotoko. Not now, I'm a Kotoko, 3 Kumasia, at 1 about the same 2 days. Then one time I'm because of them in the dent. Then again, Yanko Payad, my continental cameras as Goros Akaha to the young work now, when you are so. Other will like it or not. Yet you didn't say to go the country.
More share saying. 2-1. I
bet you can't say 2-0. I'm about the tobacco.
And I saw young Bessie now. More dear. Well, Mom, you, Matty. Now, I'm betting a time, bay, a wing yammy. Well, question, yammy pow. The heavy are not betting a bear 25 minutes more. One of them, if you are too breaking heart, you. Okay, good evening. Good evening.
What again?
Solo. Achiasi wanza mwifu nyina hoye.
Nyamyadom. Na mapemponi ne pesa so we nyina hoye fa. Awa tama ho bega fa.
Solo meeting.
My mo bato. E come ke mo ha ma mo tamaye. Ya me se mo fa na me chacha mo de no ko kwapia. Ana ona bo frank ye boa. O so wa tama ho bega no. Na ye mo ko ma sande ko to ko tin na bato. First of all, I'm afraid of chances are no Montana community can chances not to expand on pa. Imagine say enka any alternative your money sharp attackers. And I think or think they are only home share of commercial attackers. I think about them protocol. Only chances not to think that Senua. How do you see them boy number say? When I was very chilly, my instead of working protocol you see. You never for come at the BCB and protocol.
Monfa now.
Leave me unknown. Leave me unknown. Protocol has a performance in you. And she said to Matiano, attendance a buy and massive DNA will give my attendance. And she has, you didn't hear heart. You know for Babasha and tea. You made more than half a focus in it. Now that you have to live my yes, I have to quote the ata photography ko division 1 bi yamal division 1 ya traffic na Premier League no medase.
Okay solo medase me live me nya problem ho over be live we mama why be live we mama good evening.
Hello
aish atija
fire
ebony
adeta rain
ebony
rain
awani na ayumire Daniel ko
woni ti aseja oirepa 100.7 eja mo document la be ya mo sports video na je ni meeting dem na eja yango wele kan yi ni ntanu media e ba wo so ye na tele ni ni nkoma boko
nti anyume de obe kan di wunim
yeah
ti do obe kan bi wunim
yeah
kotoko has any willy wunim
yeah
ebe wi say
about dandil
na any day
yes we need dia has we need dia
enya wa na